everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Kit Day, and we will be revealing the newest Softflex Company design kit, Ugly Sweater. Monthly design kits from Softflex Company, and they come all nice and cutely packaged, perfect for giving as a gift or a gift to yourself. So here is our mystery design kit, and it gives us a list of everything that is included inside. Their kits are just fantastic, but for the holidays, they just seem a little extra special and fun and festive. So there's a lot of items. Some of them are already available on the website, and we have some exclusive items that will be available only in this kit, as well as some that are available on the last Wednesday of the month. And Jesse James Beads partners with Softflex Company to do an exclusive bead strand that's not included in the kit, but will match it. So I wanted to add in this bead strand into the design kit. So let's open up our design kit and see what's inside. And before we do that, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And down below in the description, I will leave a link to the playlist for all other design kits. You can see how fantastic they are, as well as a tutorial playlist of upcoming tutorials using this fabulous holiday kit. Have our wonderful kit full of goodies, and then we have our exclusive Jesse James bead mix. So we have Softflex wire and garnet, and then our silver metals, some ceramic beads, a lot of check glass, and then some exclusive items. So we have our 10 yards full of Softflex in garnet. That's just going to look beautiful with that bead strands. This is neat. Little crochet. This is the crochet yarn ball bead. Be interesting to see what everybody creates with that. And this is the vintage style ornament bead in mixed colors. Oh, the check glass. So these are the exclusive check glass. These look like beads that were in another kit, maybe just a little smaller in size. Like I think this was from the Customer Appreciation California Dreaming. This one might have been from the same kit or just peachy, and this looks like the Dia de los Muertos kit. So it's nice to get more of these beads. We have all our little exclusive, these little ornament beads are so cute. So you're really adorable as earrings. So we have our garnet, and then we have our bead mix from Jesse James Beads. There's a lot of pretty beads in there and unique. And then on the back, they're exclusively made for Softwax Company. They'll send them their design and they'll curate a bead strand and a bead mix. The bead strand will come out the last Wednesday of the month when they release this new kit, and any extra bead mixes will come out at the end of the month. So pretty with our greens. I love these ones. They're clear and they have like a little swirl of green. The little crochet item reminds me of a little cat toy. Our exclusive little beads that we have. These are our glass red and gold pinch bead mix. That's really pretty. Then we have our red millefleurs coin beads. You have 6 of those. These are so cute. These little ceramic beads, the Santas, teeny tiny ceramic Santa beads. How cute would those be for earrings? And then these little ornaments, like for a charm bracelet or charm necklace. And then both the ceramic beads will be available on the last Wednesday of the month. And we have this Christmas sweater charm. So I think this is probably an assorted style as well. So I'll be excited to see what everybody gets, but it's going to pair so well with these green beads. And then pinch beads are so fun to create with. And then we have our findings. We get 20 of our 2x2s, and then 4 earring findings and a lobster claw. And then we'll open up our Jesse James bead mix. Have our Jesse James bead mix. Move some beads out of the way. So you can see how the bead strand is just going to coordinate so well with it. So this is everything from the mix. I love these little, like, they're little candy cane beads. Super cute. They are acrylic, so they're super lightweight. And then when I opened this bead mix, I just instantly saw earrings. It's the holiday season, perfect for gifts, or if you just want to make yourself a new fun and festive pair of earrings. These poinsettia or like little bow charms are super cute. That'd be pretty just from like a little crystal. So maybe put the little bead there and a little bit of sparkle, and you're ready for your holiday event. And we have beautiful little reindeer beads with green, and these are large hole beads. So they'll fit over some leather. You could even make like a little bracelet with them. Super cute. And I love these top drill beads. There's another style of a briolette, but beautiful, like evergreen color. We have some little bead caps, they're like little gold stars. We have some more of these little rhinestone beads in silver. That would be cute too with the little sweater. And then we have some spacers in silver, some red crystals in about 6 millimeter, then some 4 millimeter opaque crystals, these beautiful oval beads in green, and they're just highly faceted. You can just see the sparkle from them. Rondels, 6 millimeter. Then we have some bead caps, and then these beautiful sparkly beads, these little coin beads. And that just fits in perfectly with that bead strand. And these would be great, for ornaments too, just because they have such a great shine on them, and when they're faceted, any light that hits them, they're just gonna sparkle. Then these remind me of apples, they're just cute little, like, green tassel beads, kinda that mixed media look. So you really do get a lot in this feed mix, and just this kit is fabulous. You get all the check glass, beautiful holiday colors, and then a couple of the items that are like the crocheted little component here, and then the vintage little ornament bead. So I'm excited to see what everybody creates with this kit. And then I'll leave a link down below in the description for the tutorials I create with the Christmas Sweater Softlex Company Design Kit. So inspired by the Softlex Company design kits. Every time I'm doing an unboxing, just inspiration is flowing. So I thought it'd be really fun to just make a super fun and festive, quick and easy holiday earring using some beads from the kit. So we'll just need an earring binding of your choice, as well as an eye pin, or you can make your own out of Softlex craft wire, and then a few beads from the kit and the Jesse James bead mix. We're just going to take our rounded pliers and open up our eye pin and attach our little stencil ball. This was such a unique bead. I don't think I've ever seen a charm or a little bead like this. It's super cute. Have our little tassel ball on our eye pin. We're going to add in one of our beautiful milleflores, our rhinestone bead for sparkle, and then just a cute little 4 millimeter glass bead on top. All the classic holiday colors. And then I'll be making a loop with a one-step looper. We're just going to slide it into the tool and give it a squeeze. And we have our loop. I'm just going to take my round nose pliers and make sure it is completely closed. We wouldn't want to lose our earring. We're going to have our ear finding and then just gently open it, similar to an eye pin. We're going to attach our little dangle that we just made and give it a close. And just like that, we have cute and easy holiday earrings made with the Softlex Company design kit. I can't wait to see what everybody posts with this wonderful kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below for a link to all the products shown in today's video. Have an awesome day.